If you are remodeling a bathroom, swapping a water heater, or fixing a sewer line in Ohio, do you legally need to pull a plumbing permit? The short answer is almost always yes. Skipping it might seem like a shortcut, but it can trigger massive code fines, delaying your home sale, or completely void your homeowner's insurance.
Get Eco.
So if you're planning a plumbing project in Ohio, one of the first questions you'll likely have is whether a plumbing permit is required before work can begin. In Ohio, any plumbing work that installs, relocates, extends, or significantly alters a plumbing system like your drain, waste, and vent system or water lines legally requires a permit and inspection from your local building department. Understanding these requirements matters because local codes are designed to protect your health and your financial investment. Hi, I'm Delonn with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. We navigate the Ohio Plumbing Code every single day across Greater Columbus, Dayton, Cincinnati, Chillicothe, and Southern Ohio. Today, I'll show you exactly what needs a permit, what it costs, and how to avoid the headaches that can arise from unpermitted work. Let's get specific. Municipalities follow state building codes, but oversight comes from your local jurisdiction, whether that is City of Columbus, Dayton, Cincinnati, Chillicothe, or a smaller county. Generally, you must pull a permit for new construction, home additions, and accessory dwelling units. Bathroom remodels, whether you are relocating a toilet, shower, or drain, kitchen remodels that involve moving a sink or adding new gas piping, all water heater replacements, including tankless systems to verify proper venting and pressure relief valve installation, sewer line rerouting, replacements, or tap connections. Failure to get a permit when needed can cause a lot of frustration in the future. When can you skip the paperwork? Routine maintenance and minor repairs that do not alter the actual plumbing system typically don't require a permit. You do not need a permit to replace a leaking faucet or shower head, swap out a sink drain or garbage disposal, replace an existing toilet as long as you're not moving the drain line. If you're just swapping a fixture for a new one in the exact same spot without changing the water supply lines, you're generally in the clear. Cost is the biggest question we hear. Permit fees are set by your specific city or county and will vary depending on the scope of your project. Here are typical marketplace permit ranges you can expect in Ohio. A standard water heater replacement is usually between $50 and $200. A tankless water heater replacement runs between $60 and $550. A bathroom and kitchen remodel averages between $100 and $500 each. Replacing a sewer line usually falls between $150 to $1,000. Permits for new home plumbing can be several hundred to several $1,000s depending on the scope of the work being performed. These fees often cover the application, the plan review, and the final site inspection. Now, what happens if a contractor tells you they can do the job cheaper by skipping the permit? You carry all the risk. If the local building department finds out, they may issue a stop work order or hit you with financial penalties. If you go to sell your house, buyers will ask for the certificate of occupancy or permit records. Unpermitted work can completely kill a real estate transaction. Worst of all, if an unpermitted water heater floods your basement, your insurance company can legally deny your claim. Navigating building departments, submitting isometric drawings, and scheduling inspectors is frustrating. When you work with Eco, we handle 100% of the permitting and inspection process for you. We pull the permits, cover the inspection fees within your project quote, and ensure everything is built strictly to the Ohio Plumbing Code. Do not risk your home to save a few bucks on paperwork. If you need a plumbing upgrade done correctly, legally, and safely, check out our link below to read our full guide or visit geteco.com to schedule your consultation today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more straightforward advice on keeping your Ohio home safe and running smoothly.